While AI and automation tools can definitely speed up processes, they will never replace the personal touch.
Yes, some parts of it can be automated.
Doesn't mean that it should though. Hello, my name is Jesse and I'm a digital performance specialist here at Matter Solutions. You want to be making decisions based on the performance of your marketing, and if you automate it, it's much easier to forget about it. You want to be making these decisions based off the data that's coming in for your digital marketing strategies.
G'day, I'm Alister, Operations Manager here at Matter Solutions. So some tasks can be automated, but they should only be automated as part of a working system. So if you are automating tasks, you just want to make sure you've done your testing to ensure they don't have a negative impact on the account if you're not keeping an eye on the account properly. So we do automate some tasks here at Matter Solutions, for example, these graphics, but it does help if I ask you to like and subscribe. It's the human touch.
Hi, I'm Chris. I do content marketing here at Matter Solutions. While AI and automation tools can definitely speed up processes, they will never replace the personal touch required to connect with clients and customers. Automation can, however, speed up processes such as auditing or reporting, which can aid digital marketing efforts and cut costs for clients.
Hi, my name's Sean Cole and I'm a digital marketer here at Matter Solutions. Yes, some parts of it can be automated. For example, the types of procedures, and you can automate the responses to customers. However, you always do need that human touch with it.
Hi, I'm Sam Fields from Matter Solutions and I am one of the digital strategists here, and I'm here to answer some of your questions. In regards to digital marketing being automated, I would rather see it as being systemised. We've actually been saying for a very long time that systemising your digital marketing is a much better approach than automating it, because automation has a negative connotation for starters. It's got the old manufacturing thing of people losing their jobs, but it also has the idea that you can set and forget, whereas that's not what digital marketing can ever be in any kind of reality. And you might be wondering why it can't be set and forget. Well, that's because there is always something changing, there is always some sort of a new competitor coming into the market, and there is always something different going on in your industry that might result in everything changing. And if you're not getting your finger on the pulse and systemising it, then you're losing.